Okay guys, on this video I'll be teaching you how the MCD works and the RSI works. Okay, MCD means moving average convergence divergence. Okay, and then the RSI. So I'm going to show you how this works. First I'll select my AMCD, the moving average convergence divergence, and then show you how it works. You can see it works pretty well, just like how the moving average work. But this is where here now I'm not seeing this one on the charts here. Okay, so this way I'm seeing it down here. I'm seeing it down here. This way it's showing you whatever it's doing. So now, for example, let me give you, it works like that of this thing. So you can actually call this your slow moving average and this your fast moving average. Okay, so but here now what we're going to be using is just this color, this yellow color, and this pink color. Okay, this is the just the two color we're going to be using. We're going to be using. So here now you find out that when the slow, just like the way moving average works, when the yellow line crosses the this is a golden cross. I've taught you guys what a golden cross is, right? So now when the yellow line crosses the is it purple or is it pink? Yeah, when the yellow line crosses a pink and it crosses it and start going down, what do you notice? That what price what start going down? You can see it's at this point. That means at this place that it did what it crossed at this point here. That was here. If you trace it, and then you notice that price did what start going down, right? So now this another golden cross, a very perfect golden cross. So let's see. I'm using a 1 hour time frame, so this is a perfect golden cross here again. But here now, what happens? The yellow, which is the slow, crosses it not from above again, it crosses it from below and it went up. So you can notice that from here that it crosses it. Imagine you bought at this point and then you bought at this point, you can see that price start what going up. Okay, price went up. So this is how what the moving average convergence divergence works. So here in between, you'll be seeing the green and the yellow is just showing you the volume. You can see here the volume is like it went up, and then there was actually a cross here at this point too, that the yellow line crossed from below, and that's where price went up. Okay, so you can see there are so many golden crosses and so many things. So if you bring it to 1 day time frame, you'll still be seeing the same thing. So imagine here you can see that there's a very good golden cross here, and it was at this point. So now if that you sold around here, let's say you're trading futures and then you sold around here, you see the price went down, right? So let me find where price went up. So you can see also here, let me look for something that is more visible, so you can see here, yes, here, let's say here, uh price did what, you can see here that the yellow line crosses from below, yeah, around here. So if the it's telling you now the price is going to go up. So if that you bought around this point where this golden cross happened, you see the price actually went up and did almost x2 or is it x3, something like that. Okay, so that's how MC moving average convergence divergence works. So another thing is this RSI. So RSI is showing you the overbought and the oversold region. So I've sent you guys the note, Sha. So now you can see that here we have, you can be seeing 40 or something. This 40 you're seeing here is not the price, so it's not attached with this price. Sha, I told you guys that here is the price of the coins is showing. Here is the price of the coin, just showing you the price of the coin, the price of. So if you're using your coin, your crosshair, you'll be seeing the price. You can see it tracks, the thing start from here. So anything you're seeing here now, you can be seeing the price at this end, this place shaking now. This to be, I mean, yeah. So you can be seeing it. So how does this RSI work? That's the main thing. Now, this is how the RSI work. Now, when the RSI, this is the line, if it goes down to this region, anything below 20, that's around here, you won't be seeing it well here like this. uh, you won't be seeing it well here because it's a mobile. So with time we'll get to be using trading view, and then you get to see it well. So now you can see whenever it comes down around here below the 40, let's say around 20, you see that what it's what at the what over it's what at the oversold region. Okay, so when price reaches here, you see next thing it will start doing is telling you now that you can now buy at this position, and then when you buy, you can see the price will start what going up. And then when price get to around this 70 or above 70, let's say above 70, 80, the thing start from 100 down to it ranges from 100 down to 10 or is it 0, something like that, or 80 to 20. Okay, 80 to 20. So from 80 to 100 is the over bought region, and then from 20 downward is the oversold region. Okay, so now you can see that when these lines gets towards the overbought region, it's what it starts price start what coming down. Okay, price start coming down. So you now know how to make your entries. Like when price is at this point, when it gets this thing, you can see this one now is going there, is going there, is getting there. So let's say if it passes the 70 and keeps on going without retracing, we just wait for it. Once you see any small sign that is retracing, just like here, then we just what sell. If we want to buy too, the same thing. If it comes down, once you see any sign like this here, we know that it's retracing, then we'll just buy and it goes up. So you can see that this thing happened around here. So you can see people that bought here can what sell around this point, can buy around here, and then when it gets high to this point they can sell. Okay, so let's just look at some practical example. Let me see, let me look for a good buy and a good sell. So let me say at this point now, you can see that it came down here. Here it came down, and then let's say we bought at this point that is around here. So the RSI is telling us that what the price came down here. So let's say we bought around here, and then using our crosshair, this around $0.06. So we bought, like we just bought around here. Then we wait, price does what start going up because it was now at the oversold region. So price start going up, and then we see here it touches up, it went up well. So let's say it touches the oversold region, and then we decide to sell here. Okay, so you can see that when we sell here, you see that we are at 0.2122. That is around almost x3 or x4. So if you entered with $50, you bought for $50, you'll be having like $150. You understand? So but this is a daily chart, so it took like a month or days to arrive at this. So you see that at this point it came and touched the oversold region, and then we can sell. Okay, so be mindful. Now you can see that the 80 is showing, but the 80 is showing when I came back here. Now I told you that from the 80 to 100 is oversold, and 20 and below is the what overbought. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so that's it for this. Thank you.